Blending the performance and flair of a supercar with the tall stance and practicality of an SUV, the 2025 Aston Martin DBX 707 is what James Bond might choose if he had a spouse and 2 kids. Beneath the hood lies a 697 horsepower twin-turbo V8, capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, fast enough to outrun pretty much anything. Standard all-wheel drive ensures confidence in all seasons, and a touch of off-road capability is there for the adventurous. The DBX's elegantly sculpted exterior gives it undeniable presence, while its cabin is spacious and refined enough for a dinner with royalty. Behind the second row, a generous cargo area can handle everything from luggage for a long road trip to strollers and mountains of kid gear, something a DB12 or Vantage simply can't accommodate. If this sounds like a no-compromises SUV, that's because it almost is, though the price remains a major consideration. Starting around $250,000, the DBX 707 is still firmly in super luxury territory. For 2025, Aston Martin has dropped the DBX's base model, leaving only the 697 horsepower DBX 707. Along with that, the interior has been completely redesigned, featuring a more intuitive center console, revamped dashboard, new steering wheel, updated door panels, and a 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by the same software debuting in the DB12 Grand Tourer. Every model now comes with a 14-speaker audio system, with an optional 23-speaker Bowers & Wilkins setup. The air spring suspension has been retuned for better body control, though the SUV remains mechanically similar to last year's version. With a starting price of $256,086, you no longer have to choose between the standard DBX and the 707. Aston Martin has made that choice for you. Ordering a DBX 707 is virtually foolproof, but Aston Martin's Q customization program offers a staggering range of personalization options for those who want to make theirs truly unique. The DBX 707 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 from Mercedes-AMG, producing 697 horsepower and 663 pounds-to-foot of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, also sourced from Mercedes. While primarily rear-wheel drive, a center differential sends torque to the front axle whenever rear-wheel slippage is detected. Standard adaptive dampers and height-adjustable air springs enhance the DBX's off-road capability, as we experienced during our drive of the 2025 DBX 707 in Scotland. Thanks to a variety of drive modes, the DBX's chassis can shift from refined and composed to agile and playful, offering a broad range of driving experiences. However, despite its short 151-foot stopping distance from 70 miles per hour, the DBX we tested had a noticeably unresponsive brake pedal. For those needing towing capability, the DBX can handle up to 5,940 pounds. In performance testing, the DBX 707 accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds, a figure comparable to the Lamborghini Urus. According to the EPA, the standard DBX is rated at 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. During our 75-mile-per-hour highway test, part of our comprehensive testing procedure, the DBX 707 matched its EPA rating, achieving 20 miles per gallon. For more details on the DBX's fuel economy, refer to the EPA's website. The DBX shares much of its switchgear with other Aston Martin models. The cabin is adorned with beautifully stitched leather, soft-touch surfaces, and a micro-suede headliner. Standard features include a digital gauge cluster, customizable ambient lighting, 3-zone climate control, and heated front and rear seats. Popular options include ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and a selection of even more luxurious interior materials. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, and cargo capacity is practical, offering 22 cubic feet behind the rear seats and 54 cubic feet with them folded. Every DBX comes with a 10.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, alongside a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. 2 USB-C ports are located in the center console, and standard equipment also includes a 14-speaker stereo system, navigation, Sirius XM satellite radio, and active noise cancellation. For audiophiles, an optional 23-speaker Bowers & Wilkins system delivers 800 watts of power. Driver assistance technology is robust, with lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control standard. For official crash test information, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control. Aston Martin's current warranty is straightforward but modest. Limited and powertrain coverage both last 3 years with unlimited miles. Buyers can opt for extended plans that include some scheduled maintenance, though the base warranty does not include complimentary service. Limited warranty, 3 years/unlimited miles. Powertrain warranty, 3 years/unlimited miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.